smoke detector. Smoke detector, sensor A0, D0, ground, VCC. LED negative. This is what? LED, right? Emitting diode. This is what? Buzzer. Piezo, buzzer, negative. This is what? 3.7 volt lithium battery. Battery, negative. LED, positive. Buzzer, positive. And this is what? Our battery, positive. This is what? Our smoke detector circuit. Welcome to our channel, smoke detector sensor project. Using this is what? Our smoke detector flying fish sensor. Okay, this as per diagram we shown. First VCC, second ground, third D0 for digital, A0 for analog. Okay, this is what our smoke detector sensor. And next we used in this project one LED. Okay, in this LED we know that, okay, long length leg is positive, short is negative. Okay, like that we have one piezo buzzer. It is electromagnetic buzzer, 1 to 16 volt its operating voltage. Okay, this is what our positive and this is negative. As per diagram we connect for Piezo buzzer siren. And next we used in this project 3.7 volt lithium battery. Okay, this is 12. Okay, it is operating for 3.7 volt for this circuit operation, or operating this circuit by using this lithium 3.7 volt battery. Start the connection. Take sensor, smoke sensor. Okay, for this we connect one LED. You can see here we using here one wire for LED connection. Okay, long length leg is positive, which is connected to this red color wire. Next take one black wire. Okay, connect for D0. Okay, which is connected to LED negative leg. Next, connect buzzer parallel to this LED, or connect positive to VCC of the smoke detector sensor. I negative of the battery is connected to ground. Okay, this is what ground connected. We fix this circuit in this house to check the smoke detector. Test the circuit by using smoke. You can see here our circuit is working. Okay, this is what our smoke sensor, smoke detector sensor. Okay, we fix this circuit in this house by using Vetra. Take LED out from this hole and fix this buzzer on this wall by using Vetra. This is LED we have taken out, and this is our smoke detector circuit. Finally, fix this circuit in the home. Roof is set on the home. Now this is what our smoke detector circuit is ready to test by using smoke. See here, when the smoke goes inside the home, it will siren. You can see here. This is what our successful project. Okay, up to smoke, it will make siren by using Piezo buzzer and see indication on this home. Okay. Again, we test this smoke detector when we leave smoke inside the house. You can see it. This will show in this in our home. Okay, somewhat firing is happen, and you alert from that danger situation by using this kind of project. Make in your home and save your home by the smoke or any electrical fires or any other fires happen.